Of the competition, we chose new store as a store for us, which means we chose to become a pharmacist who doesn't have any existing software where the inventory is present. So migration of inventory is not required. Rather, inventory needs to be uploaded as the pharmacist purchase it. The first thing we would like to understand is how the purchase work and how inventory can be uploaded in the Elixir. Elixir offers four different ways through which a purchase can be uploaded into Elixir. First, you need to go to create purchase invoice. Here, first option is basically a manual option where everything is entered manually. Second option is basically uploading an Excel file. So a lot of suppliers provide Excel files which can be uploaded through this option. And file can be I'll explain it how exactly it is done. The third option is AI upload. So since Elixir is a AI powered billing and inventory management solution, there is a unique feature Elixir offers in which a pharmacist has to simply click a photograph of the invoice and send it to a given email address. Within 5 minutes, entire detail of that bill of that invoice would be uploaded to Elixir's create purchase invoice screen. The pharmacist is supposed to just verify all the details and upload it. There is a fourth option of uploading purchase invoices in Elixir, where which can be used only when certain sale has been done.